Hello, my name is Kenneth Campbell. I've recently had a total hip replacement at Atlantic Hospital in Bath Street in Glasgow by Mr Kevin Bryceland, and everything went well and no problems at all. I'm now on the mend and ready to rock and roll. The reason I needed a hip replacement was 41 years ago I was water ski jumping in Loch Lomond and I landed wrong and my leg came out of the socket and I dislocated my hip, and I was 8 weeks in traction in the Western Infirmary, and after that I was in crutches for a good while and I was told I needed a new hip in 10 years, so 41 years later I get a new hip. Unfortunately, under the NHS it was going to be 1 to 2 years waiting list, so I researched and I found the Atlantic clinic in Bath Street, which was very handy, and the prices were excellent, so I booked in. 6 weeks after my consultation I got my hip changed, and that was me, 6 weeks. After my surgery, the physio came in and had me up and walking, showed me how to use the crutches, up and down stairs, etc, and everything was good to go. Thank you to Atlantic for helping me get well sooner. Much appreciated.